Hello guys, and now that you have done the rectangle from the previous screen, we can get started with our doll. Today we'll be drawing Cosmic Queen, so we're gonna start with the head and make a big circle. On the second rectangle, we're gonna draw the eyes, and I'm just using a protractor and trying to make them as centered as possible. And then I create the circle in the top and then an arc on the middle. And then the eyelashes and the eyeliner. Then the eyebrows and the top of the hair. Then I create little bumps, and it's gonna be on 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, and 3 o'clock. So one on top, one on the sides, and two on the middle. And then for the hairline, we are going to create little curves, little swirls to give it a design for the baby hair. And then for the body, we're going to draw a pear shape. And then the arms, they're going to be chubby. And the legs are going to be chubby as well. And then I make a line to make the knees even. Let's go over with the thick marker on the eyeliner and do a thick line and then thin it out at the end. And then the top circle, we're gonna color it with the thick marker. And then we're gonna get a thinner marker and go over on the nose and the mouth, and then the eyes on the bottom and the eyelashes. And then the ears, and then the swirls that she has on her hair, we're gonna use a thin marker. So we add a swirl and little bumps. Swirl and little bumps. And then with the thick marker, I'm gonna do the outline of the head. And with the thin marker, I'm gonna do the baby hairline. Now for the body, we're gonna draw the little suit that she has, and we're gonna draw a belt. And then the suit is pretty short, and she has some boots. And then we're gonna add some stars. Alright, now we're gonna go over with marker and just outline the little dress. And then we will do the belt, and I'm gonna put some detail on there, some little lines, and then outline the arms with the thin marker and the legs. Now the boots, and the stars. Fun part, we are going to color. I am using oil pastels, and then I'm just using a Q-tip to even it out, rub it on the paper, and I love how it turns out like that. And then I'm just gonna use the tan color, the skin color, and use the Q-tip. Then her eyes are bluish purple. And then her dress is purplish. And then her belt and boots are going to be gray. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this one. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Thank you.